Ever get tired of updating the same thing on every page of your Wix website? Like, you change one product name or price and suddenly you're editing 5 pages? Well, today I'll show you a faster way. In this video, we're setting up the Wix Studio CMS so your content updates automatically, all from one place. And if you missed my previous Wix Studio tutorial, don't worry. The playlist link is in the description so you can catch up anytime. Alright, let's jump right in. So what is a CMS? Think of it like a database for your website. You can add, edit or update content in one place and your website updates everywhere automatically. Super handy, right? Let's start by creating a CMS manually. This gives you full control over every field. On the left sidebar, click the CMS icon, choose main, then start from scratch and hit next. Now name your collection, I'll call it products, choose multiple items and click create. You'll see some default fields like title, description and images. To add more, click add field and pick the type you want. I'll add a media gallery for product photos. Click save and it appears right away. Now click add item, fill in your content, title, image, price and hit save. Your CMS is ready and you can manage all your products right here. Now let's look at a faster method. Using Wix AI to build your CMS in seconds. Click create collection. Use AI. In the prompt, type your collection name and a short description. For example, butter cookies with title, image and price. Click next and Wix AI will automatically suggest fields for you. You can remove or edit them. I removed the description and available. Then hit create collection. And just like that, your CMS is ready. Built by AI, you can always tweak it later to add things like featured tags or ratings. Now, let's connect your CMS to your actual page so it displays live content. Go to your page, I am using the home page and add a repeater or grid section. Click add section, sections, products or create one from scratch. I noticed pricing was missing, so I'll add it manually. Click add elements, quick add title, type in the price, adjust the font and align it properly. Next, click your section and in the top right panel choose connect to CMS. Select your dataset, the collection you just made. Now connect each element. Product image, connect to CMS image field. Product images next, product title. Connect to CMS title field next, product price. Connect to CMS price field, click preview and watch your products appear automatically. Pulled straight from your CMS. If you change a product name, image or price in your CMS, your website updates instantly. No redesign needed. Click publish, then save and continue and preview your site. You will see your live data appear instantly. Try editing something in your CMS like a title or price and refresh your page. It updates right away. That's how easy it is to manage dynamic content in Wix Studio. And that's it. You just created a dynamic CMS powered website in Wix Studio, all without touching a single line of code. If you want personalized help making your Wix site more interactive or improving your hero design, you can book a free call. The link's in the description. Pick a time, tell me what you'd like to work on and we'll connect. Or if WhatsApp is easier, just click the link below and send your question directly. And don't forget, like this video, share it and subscribe for more Wix Studio tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.